Yes. Yes. And yes, please, welcome to our newest listing. It's 1234 East 37th Street in my hometown of Brooklyn, New York. And take advantage of the city's new zoning law with amazing options for an additional dwelling unit here in our latest listing. Let's check it out. Thank you for taking a moment to view our newest listing with me, David.Rosen. If you'd like to see it for yourself, reach out to me or my partner, Roy Syag.